What's up, beautiful people? This is going to be a review of articleforge 2.6. I just logged into my articleforge and guess what? I realized that apparently there's a 2.6 version and they actually released a video tutorial showing the 2.6 version, and I just tested it. I wrote an article about how to go fishing for beginner. This article, I can publish it on my website with just a few edit. Again, this is a more than 500 words article actually that I wrote in less than 60 seconds. So I'm going to show you as well how to do it and show you the whole organization of the articleforge, because the structure really changed. Now the structure changed. Why? Is because before it was not, in terms of customizing your article, they made it a lot more simpler to select what settings you want. So I'm going to put a link down below. You need to click on that link today and try articleforge for 5 days, and then you will land on this page. When you click on the link down below, you click on start my free trial, but then you select the yearly plan. For example, you can start your free trial with the yearly plan or the monthly plan. You put your first name, your email, your password, and you click on sign up. Now this is just a free trial. You have 5 days. You can cancel before the 5 days. If you cancel before the 5 days, you're not actually going to get charged for anything. And I'm going to tell you why articleforge first is a content writer. It's like a personal writer that automatically writes articles for you. And just to tell you how this is more important than anything, you can write unlimited article, but if I go on this marketplace where you can actually buy article, guess how much it is to buy a 500 word article? It is $40. A 1,000 word, $70. $1,595. A 2,000 words article is $130. If I go on articleforge, and what you don't even know about this one is that you will get the article, but you will still need to edit that to fit to be ranked on Google. You will need to import pictures, videos, tags on your own website. So articleforge is a lot more powerful than other method, in my opinion, out there. Again, I bought articleforge. I'm currently using because I bought it. That's why you see this dashboard. But let's go ahead and show you whether the 2.6 version is better than the previous version. First, what I always like to say is I do keyword research. Keyword research is important. Why? Most people will just try the tool and then write about whatever they want to write, and then when they don't get any traffic, they say the tool did not work. Listen, first of all, you have the tips right here in terms of the keyword, how you will need to organize. They tell you what is good, what is bad, and they tell you how to go from broad to narrow with keyword and sub keyword. I am going to try to write an article about how to fish. Keyword research is important, and one Chrome extension that I use is keyword everywhere. Is why? Because when I type how to fish right here, guess what it shows me? It shows me first of already the trend, the Google trend on how to fish. How to fish is seasonal. Look, it's seasonal, but overall the trend is increasing. This is how the trend is going. And guess what? In 2020, a lot of people actually asked how to fish. Now the trend is decreasing, but guess what? It's actually increasing again. Ranking on the first page of Google is going to get a lot of traffic. When I type how to fish, not only you have how to fish for beginner, you have, if you put the space after, you will have how to fish for beginners, how to fish for walleye. You will have all these suggestions, but I don't actually use this suggestion. If you scroll down here, you will have a lot of related keyword that you can actually write on, that you can simply copy, go and paste on articleforge and write an article about. But now they also introduce what we call long tail keyword. Understand that most bloggers or SEO people always tell you, when you are a beginner, don't go for highly competitive keyword, go for long tail, low competition keyword, and these keywords are the one that you want to target. Before, this Chrome extension did not suggest this long tail keyword, but on top of that, you also have these keywords out there as well that you can target. So what I did is that when I search how to fish, here is what it suggested me. How do you go fishing for beginner? I simply copy this one, and I went here and I type and I paste that keyword here, and I did not even add sub keyword. I simply went down, I selected 500 word article. I want you to add an image and I want you to add a title. If you also put a video, it's going to add a video. And you can also even decide to post that on your WordPress blog right here. You can choose your blog, it will automatically post that on your blog. But then I'm not going to choose that option here. I'm going to click create a new article. Under 60 seconds, look at this progression bar.
A few moments later.
Now the article is done generating. When you click on see the result, guess what? This is your article right there. Look at the article. It's even different than the one I used, the exact same keyword, but it wrote a different article than the one that you saw before, just to tell you that it keeps generating unique article. Now you have the title right here that you suggested. I used this tool 5 months ago, and I can tell you there is a huge improvement in terms of how the sentences make sense. Okay, if you have, for example, a fishing blog and you look at the keyword, you see that the trend is increasing. This is a perfect list of keywords to write on for your fishing blog. For example, I'm simply going to scroll down slowly and I want you to read the article yourself. If you want to pause it, you pause it. I promise you, this article, almost every single sentence makes sense. And then simply switch back to text here, paste that right here, switch back to visual. If you have a tool like Grammarly, it can suggest you even things like, okay, you need to add the punctuation here. What Grammarly suggests you is mostly about punctuation, but if you read that article, that I'm going to post that somewhere, and I'm going to put the link of this article down below. I'm not going to publish it so Google can rank it, but I'm just going to put it out there down below so you can also go check it out. Once I am done, what I will also do is that I will also space it out a lot more, because reading on the phone, when people read on the phone, the article needs to be spaced out a lot more to have a pleasant user experience. See, once you're done spacing out, what you can do is that you can actually even find another picture in a place like Pixabay. Next thing that you want to do is that you want to add external linking. Okay, so what I will do is that on that first page of Google, I will just, because you need to link out to other posts to tell Google that, hey, I am trying to rank again these other posts and they are related to my article that I am writing. And then once you're done posting external links, guess what? You also need to add what we call tags right here. First of all, you select your category, but then you add tags here. For example, how do you go fishing? You add those tags right here. So what I will do is that first I will save as a draft. You see, now it's save as a draft. Now I will go here on the all post and then click on quick edit to add more tags quickly. Now if you hit on publish, guess what? Your post is live, and then you see that I did that under 5 minutes with I can create unlimited articles like that. But if I have to go and buy an article, for example, online, guess what, how much I will have to pay? If you're a beginner, sometime Google will need to trust your website. So if you just have to buy article, you will spend too much money. You can use a tool like articleforge to actually automatically write article for you and edit that the way you want or the way I'm showing you. And the reality is this: I actually asked articleforge to write a 500 article, but it wrote a 584 word article. So you understand that even write more than what you asked for. When you have a plugin as well like Magic Post Thumbnails, guess what, it automatically, when you save as a draft or you publish, it automatically import a thumbnail for you, a future image for you about related to your keyword. Again, I did not import that future image. I just pasted the article and I saved as a draft. It imported everything. So now if I hit on publish right now, my article will be live on Google and it will start ranking. Now there are a lot more things that you can do. If you want to write, for example, the most comprehensive article about how to go fishing, you can first edit that like so. Let's get started. And then here you paste your H2 title. Below you add the table of content, and then from here you can also write about other keywords. Like if I want to write again, for example, on another keyword, how to fish for tilapia, I will just copy that, I will paste that in articleforge, get that content, and then on this page I will just paste how to fish for tilapia right here, and then I will add as an H2 title, and then down here I will paste whatever articleforge created for that keyword. You do the same thing again, you paste that as an H2 title, and then down here you copy that, you go in articleforge, you paste that right here under new article, and then at the end you put a conclusion. Okay, you put a conclusion part where you say, oh, we just covered the best way to start fishing as a beginner, and then we hope you like this article. Please like and share so that other fishermen can see it. Again, what are your thoughts? Leave a comment down below. That's how you write a blog post super fast, and you need to do this 100-200 times. Write those blog posts. At some point Google will start trusting your website because you're publishing unique content. And also what I like about articleforge is that it's cloud-based. All your articles are stored in the cloud, and so you can be anywhere in any part of the world. You just need a computer and an internet connection. You log back into your account and you come here under my article, and you will see the list of all the article that you already wrote about. Now you can also schedule the post, whatever post you're writing, you can schedule that on WordPress by starting here, or what you can, again, you see, you can decide what keyword you want to write on, keyword, sub keyword, whatever, and then select the blog on which you want to post that, and then at the end you click on create. You can schedule a post every week, every 2 days, every 3 days. Again, here as well on WordPress, this is where you can log in and connect all your blogs that you have, or you can simply click on add WordPress blog. You will be able to log in, put your WordPress information, you will import your blog here, and then from here you can go on that post scheduler and then simply post blog post on that on automation. Or you come here on new article. When you're writing about a keyword, here you just click on post to your WordPress blog, and then here you will be able to choose your specific blog that you want to post that post on. So this is how versatile and powerful this tool is. And then I can only say that it is writing, honestly, it is writing much better article than it did 3 2 months, 5 months ago. Like, I've been using the tool for more than a year now, and I see a huge improvement. So you need to click on the link down below, get this tool now, or the free trial. If you are thinking about buying it like I did, don't go with the monthly plan, go with the yearly plan, because you only get charged $27 a month, but then you build annually. If you go for the monthly plan, you will end up losing, believe me, because this rate keeps increasing.
The results are in.
Again, I even wrote another thing about tuna. You see, how to fish for tuna. Again, how to fish for tuna. As a young person, I added the title, imported a picture. Again, it says it's no secret that one of the best type of fish to catch is tuna. They're very dominant flipper and makes them good candidate for fishing in all type of area. Add more pictures, use Grammarly to correct for some stuff, space it out, add more picture maybe in here as well, and there are the possibilities are just unlimited. So that's what I wanted to show you. If you think that was helpful, again, link is down below for articleforge 5 days free trial. You can buy it just like I did. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because there are so many things that I cover on this channel, from online business building to Facebook ad, Instagram growth, blogging, SEO, e-commerce, and much more, affiliate marketing. There are so many videos that I've already I have over 100 videos. So if you come on the videos here, there are so many videos that you can check out, and you can also explore the playlist that where I have filtered all the playlists that you need, from Instagram growth to blogging, SEO. And this is called Free Entrepreneur because I want to empower you. Until next time, I want you to really take good care of yourself. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.